stock. All right, guys, so we showed you and let you listen to it before. 2019 BMW 550 M package. So this is what it's what we have done to it. Converters are up there somewhere. And then we did a mid resonator delete, both of them. Those two and those two. And replaced them with 2.5-inch pipe and continued the 2.5-inch out the back into the stock muffler out the back. He just wanted a little bit more barbel, so there's the two resonators we cut off right there. Right there, as you guys can see, they're straight through design on both of them. All right, we'll let you guys hear it in a second and hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's it. That's not even in sport mode. Haven't changed it to sport mode. This is without sport mode, guys. Here's sound decibels again. Now it's going to be in sport mode. There it is. Mean, bro. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Again. Rev it higher, can you or no? Because it hit 104 without sport. Yeah. So it's probably like 108. Because it's sitting still too. Man, that sounds sick. Go ahead and back it up. Sexy car. 2019 mid resonator delete. It's gonna have that barbel, bro. That's sexy. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. What do you guys think of that sound? And they want to go electric. Forget electric. Nothing like that. Let you guys hear on the inside. $550 BMW. Bam. Dual resonator deletes. Woo, baby. And it's in my favorite color. That sexy blue. Hopefully he'll get on it. Beast mode in a BMW. Enjoy, guys.